Hey, what's up, guys? It's your old pal Deluxe Chimp here, and today I'm not doing anything motorcycle related. I'm going off-road with this Jagaloon because he doesn't ride. Good for him. He's saving money. But wait a minute, he's not, because he drives a Jeep. Just empty every pocket.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Oops!
Oh shit.
Whoopsie. Pause for a brief intermission. Okay, we're back. We had a little technical difficulty. I guess you could call it that. Technically, I tried to have my buddy PJ over here run over my GoPro Hero 9, thinking there'd be enough clearance, but not this time. So I guess this is more of a test of how strong the GoPro Hero 9 is. Little crack in the back glass, but the media mod, the frame of the media mod is a little bit effed. No big deal. I hate this thing anyway. Back to wheeling. All right, guys, we're about halfway through Slaughterhouse Gulch. This is PJ's first time really testing out this Jeep that he has. Picked it up not too long ago, and she's doing a really great job. So let's get the driver's thoughts on how things are going. All right, PJ, what do you think of this rig so far? I know you've been wanting to try her out. Has she been doing all she says she do for you?
She has. I mean, a little bit of a lift would be nice, but for the fact that it's my daily driver, this is the perfect setup. It does the stuff I need it to do for the fun, but also it's reliable.
All those years, Pat, now I'm the one getting brain damage like this. Oh, I just put it together. This freaking roll bar right here, this god dang thing that I keep hitting my head off of. Well, back in the day when I used to four-wheel and Pat over here was my passenger, he'd hit his head off of this thing all the time. And that today I'm getting the brain damage. Now I know why he bought a Jeep. It was all those times he hit his head off of my roll bar. Payback is a bitch. Hopefully it doesn't make me spend the money on one of these nice Jeeps here, because yeah, no. Been there, done that, got the brain damage. Yeah, shoot up the middle of it and kind of go. Okay. Keep your momentum. Go left, 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 left. Gas, 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 gas. Keep it on. Keep it on. Just like the oval high banks of Talladega. Nice and slow. Slow. So what do you think of this trail so far, Patrick?
It's a lot different than I remember, but it's still fun.
Yeah, they do tend to take on a life of their own. As time goes by, the trail will change. Rocks that you've never seen before will have a tendency to start showing themselves. Sometimes trees will fall across, and there'll need to be some trail cleanup. But overall, so far, Slaughterhouse Gulch has been really good to us today. It sure as heck beats being stuck downtown in traffic, or being, you know, surrounded on the highway by a bunch of other cagers. So I think this four-wheeling trip today is just what the doctor ordered for the two of us.
Yes, sir.
Nobody will be buggies up here. Yes. All right, we're back to civilization. This has been your old pal Deluxe Chimp and your pal's pal PJ. Until next time, four-wheel safe.